Everyone, this is Mohit and today topic is how to get the call, right? So many people are asking, I received many question, I am not getting the call from the Naukri or any other portal. If you are the fresher or experienced, you can apply same tips, right? This is my experience I'm going to share with you. What you have to highlight in your profile, then recruiter will received your profile, means they will find your profile. This guy is good for my requirement, right? So what the tips you have to apply to getting the interview calls if you are fresher or experienced? Okay, so best portal is your naukri.com. This is not a fraud, this is completely genuine portal in naukri.com. This is my experience. The question is, how did you get the call, right? So recent market, what is going to happen? We having the less opportunity. Why? Because the people who is working in the previous company, they don't want to take the risk. So problem is that they are not switching the company, right? So we having the less requirement. Some of the people, unfortunately, they lost the job because of this COVID-19, but no problem at all. I know the pain of that if you don't have a job, right? But how to fight this situation, you have to also keep ready for that. So I will tell you how to get the more interview calls. So what you can do, like if you having the one profile, so this is I'm going to explain you regarding the experienced people. They are searching job as experienced, right? So what you have to do, you have to highlight your technical skill. That is the very important thing. So how to highlight, right? You can see one section in your profile, or if you will go in the Naukri, be having the technical skill you have to highlight. So what you have to make it the bold in your profile, right? Like I am good in core Java. So in core Java, you are good in the core Java, you have to also highlight the topic, right? I am good in core Java. Inside this bracket, you can write up or collection. Inside this up, you can also write I am good in polymorphism concept. In collection, I having the hands-on practice with array list, linked list, hash map, right? But when you are writing these things, you have to also prepare for them, right? Like I have written the Selenium, I'm good in Selenium. So you can write that I made this reusable functionality. I'm very good in writing the function. I'm very good in finding the XPath, right? So this thing you have to highlight. Got it, right? So this thing you have to highlight. Second thing is your experience. So experience, what the recruiters are looking for. Recruiters are looking for your technical skill. Second thing, how many experience you have, and notice period. The people doesn't have a job, you can write immediate joiner. And if you want to switch the company, and if you're having the 3-month notice period, you will not get call, very less call you will get it. So how to switch the company? You can make it like 45 days, okay, or 30 days. At least you will get the call. Get first offer letter. Otherwise, you will not get enough call if you are putting 3-month notice period. At least you have to attend the interview. If you are getting good offer letter, then what you can do, you can talk to your manager or HR. You can give the genuine reason, so might be they will release to you. Got it, right? But if you will put 3-month notice period, you won't be get any job. This is for fresher people, right? In your resume, highlight your technical skill, and you can focus on more technical part. Got it, right? So that will focus on your recruiter will focus on your technical part, right? Second thing, when you are preparing the profile on the Naukri, your profile must be 100%. Okay, you can see we having all the section in the Naukri. I will share this one tips when I will come on my laptop, but just I'm sharing with this review of that. But you can see we will get 100%. You have to cross verify your email address is verified or not. your mobile number is verified or not. If you will make it 100%, and it will be a more possibility to get the calls. Second thing, you have to make at least minimum 2 profile on the Naukri. Before, in Naukri, in one mobile number you can make the multiple profile, but they have changed now. If you want to make the 2 profile, you have a 2 email ID, different email ID and your mobile number. In second profile, you don't make the pic, or you can make it no problem at all. You can put in the different location. So most probably the call will come. And apart from that, what you have to do, you have to update daily. Okay, morning wake up, one time you have to update 9 to 10. When you are updating your profile will be on the top level. So when recruiter will come at 10 o'clock, they will pick your profile. Okay, so morning time and afternoon time, after lunch, the recruiters are coming and checking that. Okay, so your profile will be on the top when you will update, or you can update. If you are getting the time in the morning, you can update any, at least 2 and 3 times. Then what will happen, your profile will be on the top, then recruiter will pick your profile first. This is the tips to how to get the calls and all. Fresher guy, I will tell you also, you can also highlight your skill. And fresher, we having the very less call, got it right? But my suggestion is, you can do real time project and all. You can mention in your profile, hey, I have done real time project, I having this knowledge. You have to highlight like the real time. Then recruiters, some of the company are looking for the people who having the very good in the hands on. So they will provide you KT and all. Then you can pick the work as a experience level, right? You will get less call. Fresher people are having the less call from the Naukri. But if you can make the score on eLitmus and MCAT, this is the 2 exam you have to write. You can search on the Google what is the eLitmus or MCAT. So if you will score over there very good, then definitely call will come. After getting the call, they will ask you what is your technical skill, right? So this is the fresher people, how to get the call from the company, and experienced people you will get from there. Experienced people, you can also look in the LinkedIn profile. Many people are working over there and they having the requirement, they are posting over there. This is the 2 genuine site. From there you can find that. And I am also posting sometime in my FB if I am getting a requirement from the different company. But right now we having the less requirement. So what you have to do, just you can make the a skill, add your skill. So coming days you having the more opportunity. And in COVID also, if you having the more skilled, definitely your profile, make your profile as a unique, so you having the more opportunity, right? Like that you can get the call. And keep learning. Don't think like what will happen tomorrow and all. My suggestion is, if you having the free time, you are not getting the call, sometime what will happen, you will not get the call within the month also. So my suggestion is, don't waste that 1 month your time. Within 1 month, if you are not getting the call, we cannot do anything. But what you can do, you can develop your skill. That will help you. Like I can give you one example. If I am not learning, I am not focusing on properly on my skill, and you will waste, right? You will waste your time 2 months. And when people are continuously, they are learning the things, then what happen, after 2 months they having the one more skill. So having the more possibility, right? If you are adding the skill in your profile, having the more possibility to get the call, right? So this is the suggestion. And please like my video and share with your friend, and subscribe my channel, so I will get more tips. And I will share my experience, because I also faced same issue when I was in your position. So I this is my real time experience. I am sharing with you in what situation what you have to do, right? And definitely this my suggestion will help you too. Okay, so please share and subscribe, and happy learning. Do hard work. Don't think much what happened tomorrow, what you can do today, you can do. Okay, don't think about of your parents, your friend and all. They will frustrate you. If you have a good friend, really you are great. If you don't have, leave it everything. Keep doing hard work. This is the one funda. If you will do hard work, definitely one day that hard work will pay off you. Okay, thank you all. We'll see you in the next video.